Much work pressure, missing deadlines. Today I am going to show you an all-in-one productivity platform that can make your work 2x faster. It's called ClickUp. ClickUp is an productivity platform where you can manage all your work in one place, whether it's tasks, projects, goals, documents, or chat. Whether you are working solo or with a team, ClickUp helps you stay organized and on track. Guys, in ClickUp, you can organize your projects into spaces, folders, and lists. For each task, you can add a due date, priority assign, and checklist. You also get multiple views in one place, like list view, board view similar to Trello, calendar view, and even a Gantt chart for planning. It also has a built-in docs for taking notes and direct chat option for your team. Best of all, you can integrate it with Slack, Google Drive, Zoom, and our other 100 apps. With ClickUp, you can track your work, improve team collaborations, and double your productivity because everything is in one single platform. If you want to keep your work and life organized, you should definitely try ClickUp. It's free on Android, iOS, and web. You can download it on Google Play Store, App Store, and Google Chrome. I hope this helped you very much. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.